Hi friends, my name is Maruti and I'm the co-founder of Kraku. In this video, I'll be explaining how you can answer some of the questions in CAT just by looking at the options. For example, this question is from CAT 2021. I don't remember the slot, but most likely it is from slot 1. But this is a question from CAT 2021. You are given f of x. This is a quadratic equation in the numerator and a quadratic equation in the denominator. You are asked to calculate for which values of x is this negative and what are all the values of x for which this is negative. If you're looking at the options, you have 4 options. And if you're looking at the function, it seems like a complex question. If you're trying to solve it using an inequality, you will get the answer, but it will take you some time. Maybe it can take you 3 to 4 minutes to actually solve it. So one of the things that I would do if I'm taking this paper is first substitute the value of x to be equal to 0. Why would I do it? Because then the value of f of x becomes equal to minus 15 by minus 18, which is equal to, I think, 15 by 18, but this is basically a positive number. So for x is equal to 0, f of x is greater than 0. So 0 should not be part of the solution. If I know that 0 should not be part of the solution, it will not be option B, because minus 2 to 3 is part of the solution. Will it be part of C? It will not be option C, because 0 also is part of option C. So it has to be either option A, because 0 is not part of option A, or it has to be option D, because again 0 is not part of option D. What does option A say? Option A says that x lies between minus 5 and minus 2, or x lies between 3 and 9. What does option D say? D says that x is less than minus 5 or x lies between 3 and 9. So basically the only difference between option A and option D is the first part, where if x lies between minus 5 and minus 2, option A will be the answer. If x is less than minus 5, option D will be the answer. So let us substitute the value of x to be some number between minus 5 and minus 2. Let us say x is equal to minus 3. Then let us calculate f of x. Then what is f of x? F of x will be x square is 9 minus 6 minus 15 divided by x square is 9 minus of minus 7 into 3 is plus 21 minus 18. This is less than 0. Because the denominator is greater than 0, the numerator is less than 0. So x is equal to minus 3 has to be part of the solution, because we are looking for all the values of x which are negative. So this would imply that option A will be the answer and not option D, because in option D, minus 3 is not part of the interval that is given. So using options without calculating anything, we can mark A as the answer and go forward to the next question.